This is a new generation of ultrasonic welding machines. Its streamlined profile frame provides an attractive appearance, while the servo action device ensures excellent controllability during welding. Built-in helps system for easy and quick familiarization with the equipment. Multi-stage welding speed control. High-precision welding pressure step-by-step control. And amplitude step-by-step control. With 2 trigger modes, pressure and depth. And 5 working modes, time, energy, ground, absolute depth, relative depth. With auxiliary weld modes, which can be combined with the weld mode for better weld control. It can store up to 99,999 weld quantities, and graphical analysis can be used for quality monitoring. Various auxiliary modes can realize basic automatic control. Support Alibaba Cloud IoT platform remote monitoring. It is the best choice for your ultrasonic plastic welding machine at any time. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.